It is Abhishek, and within this video I'll be going to demonstrate you how to use the JavaScript with the timer function and the objects. So I already created one of the website using JavaScript with the timer functions and objects. So here's the website. So actually I based it on the quiz in the football. So if I'll show you how does it works like. See. So over here you can see like I just randomly fill the quizzes, and after filling the quizzes it will display like what's the result. So and if you go to the previous questions, it will say like which of the questions are right and which of the questions are wrong. So this is my small uh, video on quiz on the JavaScript relating to the functions like timer function and objects. So now moving on to the code. So over here in the green part which you're seeing, it's nothing just a CSS. And already I mentioned in my previous video that like using script we can change the script is used for writing the JavaScript. And okay, so here goes like in the body we have given like this is the font size, the font family, and the background color we are given for the h1. For the heading we are displaying the following, like the title of the title is the quiz. And for the h1 over here you can see down over here I already h1 see over here it's h1 is quiz on football. And we are now putting some style in that, like a font is was the font 300, margin 0 pixel, and padding is 50 pixel. And after that moving downwards, uh, the set of the questions which appear on the screen, we are putting some font size and margin over there, and similarly to the answers. And now moving down, I won't be focusing on the HTML and CSS, but now I already made one video on HTML and CSS. So now we'll be focusing on the JavaScript as in this video. So JavaScript, this is the script type text JavaScript. We are making one functions like const constant my questions. And over here you can see like this is the question, like who won the first FIFA World Cup tournament. And these are the set of the question, and this is the correct answer is B. So this is the correct answer is B. And similarly all the I mentioned all the questions over here, and the answer has been stored in like correct answer. So after making the set of the question, now what we have to do, like function build quiz and cons output. So and my question dot for each current question number. And after that moving down now, this is for this one we'll need a place to store the HTML output. That's why we use this function. And for every question we'll want to store the list of the answer of the choice. And now for letters in the current constant, that means add HTML file to the radio button for each variable of the answers. And now we have, and now after moving like in this one what we'll be doing, like we add all these question and its answer to the output. So in this what does it do, we already stored each and every answer, and we'll sum it up and we'll show just like if there are 7 questions, we'll sum all the correct right questions and it will display like what's the score of the quiz. And finally combine the output into the string of the HTML file and put in the page. So after combining all the answer, it will show. So over here you can see like a function show result. gather the answer contains from our quiz, and it will be shown in through the show result function. And after that, and moving on down, if we as if I showed these are the buttons, like like I showed in my web page. If you put a next, if you put a next, all the answer which are already selected over here will be summed, and we'll get the answer over here. If you want to check whatever the with the answer, which answer is correct or wrong, you can go like previous question, and it will show you the selected ones. So this was my video on the JavaScript using timer function and object. So I hope you like the video. So thank you for watching this video.